Dear students, let's continue our discussion on trigonometric functions. Here in the last class we studied the relation between the trigonometric functions of the angle 90 minus theta and with theta, then with 90 plus theta, theta, 180 minus theta with theta and 180 plus theta with theta. Let us just recall whatever the things that we have studied yesterday. Say we came to know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Then the remaining other four I will not write because you can get it easily. Tan 90 minus theta is nothing but sin 90 minus theta divided by cos 90 minus theta. In that way you can do. Okay. Then sin 90 plus theta, that's equal to cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta, that's equal to minus sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta, which is equal to sin theta. Cos 180 minus theta, that's equal to minus cos theta. Then sin 180 plus theta, that's equal to minus sin theta. And cos 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Okay. So yesterday we have studied these things. Now today, with the help of these relations, let us establish a relation between the trigonometric functions of 270 degree minus theta and with theta. So I'll write the heading, relation between trigonometric functions of 270 degree minus theta and those of theta, that means and the trigonometric functions of theta. Okay, let me start with the sin 270 degree minus theta. Sin 270 minus theta. Okay, so here I will write 270 degree as 180 plus 90. 270 minus theta, I am writing this as 180 plus 90 minus theta. 270 I am writing it as 180 plus 90. So 180 plus 90 minus theta. Now this looks like sin of 180 plus theta. Sin of 180 plus theta, look here, sin of 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this will give you minus sin theta. What is theta here? In place of theta we have 90 minus theta. That's equal to sin 90 minus theta. What is sin 90 minus theta? That's equal to cos theta. Minus is there, so it will become minus cos theta. So we observe that sin 270 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Then let me take cos 270 minus theta. In the same way here I will write this 270 degree as 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90 minus theta. We had 270 degree minus theta. I am writing that as 180 degree plus 90 degree minus theta. That's equal to cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Imagine this term within this bracket, that 90 minus theta is theta. So this looks like cos 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta equal to minus cos theta, which will give you minus cos 90 minus theta. And cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. You can look here, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So this will give you minus sin theta. That minus is because of this minus. So from there cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. So here we got with the help of that formula we got cos 270 degree minus theta as minus sin theta. Okay. Then I want tan 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta is equal to, I can write tan 270 minus theta as sin 270 minus theta divided by cos 270 minus theta. Okay. Sin 270 minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. And cos 270 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus cos theta by minus sin theta will give you cot theta. Minus minus gets cancelled. cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. Now with the help of this, we can write what is secant 270 minus theta. Secant 270 minus theta is equal to 1 by cos 270 minus theta, that is minus 1 by minus sin theta, which will give you minus cosecant theta. Secant 270 minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Then cosecant 270 minus theta, cosecant 270 minus theta is equal to minus secant theta, and cot 270 minus theta is equal to cot 270 minus theta is equal to plus tan theta. Cot 270 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 270 minus theta is equal to 1 by tan 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta is equal to cot theta. 1 by cot theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, this formula you should know. Proof is not all that necessary, but formula you should remember. Okay, how to remember all this formula, for that also I will explain after this. Next, I will look at the relation between the trigonometric functions of 270 degree plus theta and the trigonometric functions of theta. Okay, so first I would like to find out what is sin 270 plus theta. Sin 270 plus theta I want. I will write this as sin of 180 plus 90 plus theta. I am writing 270 degree as 180 plus 90. So sin 180 degree plus 90 plus theta, that's equal to. Now this is of the form sin of 180 plus theta. Sin of 180 degree plus theta. Sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. You know, yesterday we have proved it, and today also it is true. Sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. You know, sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So sin 180 plus 90 plus theta is there. So imagine this as theta. So sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this will give you minus sin 90 plus theta. Okay. What is sin 90 plus theta? Sin 90 plus theta is nothing but cos theta. Look here. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Here already minus sin is there. So I will write minus here. Sin 90 plus theta, I will replace it with cos theta. So we got sin 270 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Okay. Next, cos 270 plus theta, that's equal to cos 180 plus 90 plus theta. Cos 180 plus 90 plus theta, that's equal to cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So this will become minus cos 90 plus theta. What is cos 90 plus theta? Cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Observe here. Cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this minus is there. Along with it, one more minus will come. Minus of minus sin theta. So that will be equal to plus sin theta. So from this we observe that cos 270 degree plus theta is equal to sin theta plus sin theta. Okay. Next, tan 270 plus theta. Tan 270 plus theta is equal to, we will write this as sin 270 plus theta divided by cos 270 plus theta. That's equal to sin 270 plus theta. What did we get? Sin 270 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta, and here cos 270 plus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So this will give you minus cot theta. Tan 270 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Okay. After this we can write secant 270 degree plus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cosecant 270 plus theta, cosecant 270 degree plus theta is equal to minus secant theta. Then finally cot 270 degree plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot 270 plus theta equal to minus tan theta. Okay. So these are the relation between the trigonometric functions of the angle 270 plus theta and the trigonometric functions of the angle theta. Okay. So now let us go forward. Instead of 270 plus theta, now I will take 360 minus theta. Trigonometric functions of 360 minus theta. I want to establish the relation between the trigonometric functions of the angle 360 degree minus theta and of the angle and of the trigonometric functions of the angle theta. Okay. Sin 360 degree minus theta. Sin 360 degree minus theta. I can write this as sin of 180 degree plus 180 degree minus theta. Sin 180 plus 180 minus theta. This looks like sin 180 plus theta. Sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this will give you minus sin theta. Theta in place of theta we have 180 minus theta. Then sin 180 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Already we have a minus symbol there. So it will become minus sin theta. Then cos 360 minus theta. Cos 360 degree minus theta. That's equal to cos of 180 degree plus 180 degree minus theta. That's equal to cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos 180 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So this will give you minus cos 180 minus theta. That's equal to. What is cos 180 minus theta? Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Already we have a minus symbol here. So minus into minus it will become plus. So this is equal to plus cos theta. So thus cos 360 minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Okay. Then tan 360 minus theta. Tan 360 minus theta is equal to sin 360 minus theta divided by cos 360 minus theta. Sin 360 minus theta divided by cos 360 minus theta, that's equal to sin 360 minus theta is minus sin theta and cos 360 minus theta is cos theta. Minus sin theta by cos theta will give you minus tan theta. Okay. Then we can easily write the other three. Secant 360 minus theta is equal to secant theta. This is equal to 1 by cos 360 minus theta, that's equal to 1 by cos theta, that's equal to secant theta. Then cosecant 360 minus theta, that's equal to minus cosecant theta, and cot 360 minus theta, that's equal to minus cot theta. Okay. So the next, if I go for 360 plus theta, then actually you know there is no difference between say trigonometric functions of theta and the trigonometric functions of 360 degree plus theta, because for any given angle if I add 360 degree then there is no change in the value of that trigonometric function, which is very well known to you. Okay. Now what happens to minus theta? So sine of minus theta and cos of minus theta, let me just observe. See, we have proved that sine of 360 degree minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Just now I have proved it. Okay. Now from this angle I will subtract 360 degree. As you know that if I subtract 360 degree there is no change in the value of the trigonometric functions. So that means, can I say that sine 360 degree minus theta, if from this I am subtracting 360 degree, means I am getting sine of minus theta, right? 360 minus theta minus 360 degree, 360 degree gets cancelled, sine of minus theta. Sine 360 minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, sine 360 minus theta is equal to sine of minus theta. So from this we can say sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Remember this is an important formula. Now I want cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta, you can add 360 degree, add 360 degree to it. So that will give you cos 360 minus theta. Okay. Cos 360 minus theta. What is cos 360? Just now we saw. Cos 360 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this tells us that cos of minus theta is same as cos theta, whereas sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. This I will explain through that circle again. Let me consider the same circle, a circle with center at origin and radius r. I will choose a point here. So as always, P x comma y. Join this line OP. Draw one perpendicular. Let this angle be theta. Okay. Now what I do is, I will consider another angle here. The magnitude is same. Okay. In this way I will consider, but it is measured in this direction. This angle and this angle are one and the same, but measured in the opposite direction. Therefore, this will be minus theta. If this point is x comma y, this is x, this is y, this is r, the radius r. I am considering a circle with center at origin and radius r. You might be thinking, sir, you know the only circle what you know. Okay, maybe true. Now, I am choosing a circle with center at origin and radius r, taking a point P x comma y, such that this angle, let me call this as m over P, that angle is theta. Now I will draw, consider another angle here with the same magnitude but opposite direction, because this is measured in the clockwise direction now, therefore it is considered as negative. I will call this point as P dash. This angle m over P dash will be equal to minus theta. Then if this point P is x comma y, this point is nothing but x comma minus y. That means this will be minus y. Right? Are you following this? Okay. So now look at this triangle. From this triangle OMP, we can say cos theta is equal to x by r, sin theta is equal to y by r. This you know anyway, from the last 4 days we are doing the same thing. Okay. Now if I consider the triangle OMP dash, this triangle if I am considering, there cos of minus theta, that is equal to what? X by r. And what about sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta is minus y by r. Right? This is in the opposite direction. It's along negative y axis. It's, I mean, in the direction of negative y axis. So this is treated as minus y. Hence you have sin of minus theta is equal to minus y by r. Observe, sin theta is equal to y by r, sin of minus theta is equal to minus y by r. From these two we can say that sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Whereas here you observe, cos theta is x by r, cos of minus theta is also x by r. Hence cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Then what about tan of minus theta? Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Let me tell you how. Tan of minus theta is equal to sin of minus theta divided by cos of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, minus sin theta by cos theta will give you minus tan theta. These three you should remember. Okay. Students, so far I have explained you, I have derived the relation between the trigonometric functions of the angle 90 minus theta with theta, 90 plus theta with theta, then 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, then 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. And 360 plus theta I did not consider because that and theta are one and the same, because from that angle if I subtract 360 degree, then there is no change in the value of the trigonometric function. Okay. So now I will tell you how to remember all these formula. Okay. The first thing that you need to identify is whatever the given angle, whether it is 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 90 minus theta, etc. First you identify that angle lies in which quadrant. Okay. So this is a circle we have. Here you have 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and again 360 degree, right? Okay, if I cover one full circle. So now if I am talking about 90 minus theta, that theta is acute angle. Acute angle means an angle which is between 0 and 90 degree. If I am considering 90 minus theta, that lies in the first quadrant. Okay. And 90 plus theta, this angle is 90 degree, and add theta to it. So 90 plus theta will be in the second quadrant. Then 180 minus theta, second quadrant. 180 plus theta, third quadrant. 270 minus theta is third quadrant. 270 plus theta is fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant. Okay? Okay, fine. So, first you identify, given any trigonometry, let us say, I want to know what is cos of 180 minus theta. Of course, by using that formula, I know directly minus cos theta, but how to remember this, I am helping you. How to remember, I am telling you. Okay? If I want to find out, say, cos of 180 minus theta, what first thing I have to do is check where this angle lies. It lies in which quadrant. That is what you have to identify. 180 minus theta, till here 180. So 180 minus theta, it lies in second quadrant. That is clear. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, fine. So 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. Then in the second quadrant, what happens to the given function? Given function is cos. In the second quadrant, cos, is it positive or negative? That you identify. You know this rule, ASTC. Here all are positive, sin is positive, tan is positive, cos is positive. So in the second quadrant, cos is negative. So put a minus sign. Okay. Then 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. If you are using this horizontal line, that x-axis, it's called horizontal line. That is, if you are using 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta, 0 plus theta, 0 minus theta, in other words 360 minus theta. If you are using the horizontal line, then there you keep the same function as it is. If you are using the vertical line, that is, if you are using 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta, or 270 minus theta or 270 plus theta. If you are using the vertical line, then you have to change it to its co-function. Okay? And then write that function. Here cos of 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant, so minus, and here we are using horizontal line, same function. Okay, I will tell what is that rule. The first thing you have to identify is that angle lies in which quadrant. Okay, there are three steps. First step, identify it lies in which quadrant. Okay, after that, in the second step, in that quadrant, whether the given function is positive or negative, that you observe. Okay, so whether the given function is positive or negative in that particular quadrant, that you observe and write the suitable sign, whether it is positive or negative, that you have to write. Okay, then third step, if you are using the horizontal line, that is, if you are using 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, then retain the same function, write the same function as it is. Okay, but if you are using the vertical line, that is 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. If you are using the vertical line, then change it to co-function. What is co-function? For sine, the co-function is cos, because sine, cos is nothing but actually cosine. Okay, and for cos, sine and cos, they are co-functions of each other. Cos is actually the short form of cosine. Okay, sine theta and cosine theta are co-functions of each other. Similarly, secant theta and cosecant theta are the co-functions of each other. Okay, then tan theta and cot theta. Cot theta is actually cotangent theta. Tan theta is tangent theta. Cot theta is cotangent theta. Tan and cot, they are also co-functions. Okay, see, there is a difference between reciprocal functions and co-functions. For sine, the reciprocal function is cosecant, because sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. And for cos, the reciprocal is secant, because secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, right? But for co-functions, it is sine and cos, they are co-functions of each other, and secant, cosecant, tan and cot. Okay, tan and cot, they are reciprocal functions as well as co-functions. Did you understand? Okay. So let me tell these rules again. First step, identify that theta lies in which quadrant. Okay. Then second step, write the plus sign or minus sign depending on in that particular quadrant whether the given trigonometric function is positive or negative. Depending on that you write plus or minus. After that, if you are using vertical line, if you are using horizontal line means if you are using 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta or 360 minus theta. If you are using any one of those, then retain the same function. And if you are using the vertical line, that is if you are using 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta or 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta, then write its co-function. Okay, that's the rule. Now let me take say some example. Suppose I want to know what is sine 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. First identify it lies in which quadrant. 270 minus theta. This is 270, 270 minus theta, third quadrant. In the third quadrant, a given function sine, is it positive or negative? Negative, right, minus. After that, 270 minus theta. Are we using horizontal line or vertical line? We are using vertical line. So when you are using vertical line, you have to write its co-function. Okay, you have to write its co-function. What is the co-function of sine? Cos. So cos theta. So sine 270 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Is it clear? Then take another problem. Say suppose if I want a tan 180 plus theta. Tan 180 plus theta. First you check 180 plus theta. Where does it lie? 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive or negative? Positive. Okay, right, plus sign. Okay. Even if you don't write also, it's okay. It is understood that it is positive. Fine. Third quadrant, tan is positive. Then 180 plus theta. We are using horizontal line or vertical line? 180. So you are using horizontal line. Write the same function. Plus tan theta. That's all. You can cross check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. Then let me take one more problem. If I want sine 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, first quadrant, all are positive, so plus. Then we are using horizontal line or vertical line? Vertical line. Write its co-function. What is the co-function for sine? Cos. Okay. See, while identifying whether it is positive or negative, you have to consider the given function, not its co-function. First you look at the given function. That given function, whether it is positive or negative, you have to write, not its co-function. Then say cos 270 plus theta I want. Cos 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Okay. Plus. Then 270 degree vertical line. Write its co-function. For cos, the co-function is sine. Sine theta. Is it clear? Then secant 360 minus theta I will write. 360 minus theta. Which quadrant? 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant secant. Cos is positive, so secant is also positive. Plus. Then should we write the same function or co-function? 360 degree we are using. Vertical line. Write its co-function. Sorry, not vertical. Horizontal line we are using. Horizontal line, so write the same function. Hence secant 360 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Okay. Then tan 270 degree plus theta. Tan 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta. Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, tan is positive or negative? Negative. Right? Minus. Then 270 degree vertical line we are using. Write its co-function. For tan, the co-function is cot minus cot theta. Okay. Then cos 90 plus theta I will take. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. Second quadrant. Second quadrant. See, some students what they do is, okay, 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means vertical line you are using. So you have to use co-function. For cos, the co-function is sine, and that sine is positive here. Therefore, they write plus sign. That is not what you have to do. The first step is identify the quadrant in which that angle lies, and based on that you write the write whether it is positive or negative. Okay, then you write the cofunction. We have to see whether the given function is positive or negative, not its cofunction. Okay, before writing its cofunction only you must write whether it is positive or negative. So here 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is negative, so write minus. Then 90 plus theta means we are using vertical line. When you are using vertical line, you have to write its cofunction. For cos, the cofunction is sine. Okay, you can observe cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Okay, in this way you can remember all these formulae. So you have to remember all these formulae. In the next class, we will discuss problems on this formulae. See, in entire trigonometry, you will see quite a lot of formulae. Formulae is the plural of formula. Okay, you have to remember all of those. Each of those formulas are very important, because when we will go forward, when we will solve problems in the next class, if you don't know this formula, you cannot understand. And every time in every class I cannot be explaining the same formula again and again. So you should remember all this. My advice is prepare in your notebook in one sheet. Write all the formula, whatever you are going to get plenty of formulae, okay, in every class. So note down all those formulae and go through all those formulae for every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember all those formulae. Okay, don't send them in the group though, not necessary. Okay, thank you.